Hello hackers, welcome to my channel, and this is my very first video on YouTube. On this channel I will be sharing videos about cybersecurity and ethical hacking. In today's video we'll start with something very important, the basic Linux commands that every beginner should know. So let's get started. So just open your Kali and open your terminal. And the first command I want to tell about is pwd. Pwd stands for present working directory. So what it will do means, if I hit enter, like it will show in which directory currently I am present in. So this is about pwd. And the next command is about ls. Ls stand for list. Like what this command do is, it will list out all the files and folders which are present in the current directory. If I hit ls, and then it will show all the files and folders which are present here. So what if I want to list those files and folders which are present in another location, like suppose ls slash etc. Like etc is another folder like which is present at the root system. So what we will do is ls etc, then it will list out all the present files and folders in the etc. So there is another command, clear. What it will do is, it will clear whole the screen and it will be good. See, just like that. Next, another command I am going to tell is cd. Cd stands for change directory. Like for example, undo ls here. So here there are many folders and files. So what if I want to go into CCTV folder? How can I get into that? So what I will do is I will do cd and I will type the folder name or directory name CCTV and hit enter. So you can see that I have successfully get into CCTV. So if I hit ls, see, we can see the all folders and files present here. So what if I want to get back into Kali and again, like for suppose I am in CCTV directory, I want to exit it. Like for example, like we can see here we are in home, Kali and CCTV. No, I don't want this CCTV, so I want to exit here and jump to here. What I will do is cd space dot dot and hit enter. pwd. Now we can check we have successfully jumped from there to here, Kali. So what if I want to exit, like I want to jump backwards towards two directories, like for suppose ls, sorry, I am in pwd and I want to jump into here. Here you can see being good, this is lost. Okay, here we can see home directory. If I go to home directory, there is another Kali directory. If you go to Kali directory, here we are into our own path, like we are in our users system, like users directories. Okay, what if I want to jump here? There is another method, there is two methods which I have shown like this, cd slash, which I can directly jump to the starting file system. Okay, what if I want to do another method? It is cd space dot dot slash. What it will do is it will jump one step backwards to home. Okay, okay, let me show you. If pwd and cd dot dot slash, what it will do is there are two directories now. So one directory for this, like it will exit Kali here. Sorry, let's see. curly. You can move directly to home curly. PWV curly. Now cd dot f dot slash. What it will do is it will jump two directories backwards. PWV CIM slash from here. Okay, this is all about cd command. There is another command like touch command. But you don't see it. What it will do is means it will create a file. Like suppose see here we can see that there is no files, or there are only folders. Okay, what I want to do is create touch file.txt. What it will do means it will create a file with the name of file. It will be hacker.txt. Now what it will do is touch will create a file with the name of hacker, and it will be txt file. Okay, if I hit enter, sorry, I want to go to root. I think so. Sudo su is nothing but super user. So hit enter and enter your commit password, and you are now full. Just clear. And what I want to do, touch hacker.txt. Now I am creating a file called hacker.txt here. Ls. You can see here we have successfully created the file hacker.txt. So there is a command which is called echo. What it will use, like it will with this command window we can insert a content into any file. Like for suppose I have just created a hacker.txt and there is no content in this text file. So what I will do is, so I will type this hello hacker, this one, and I want to save it into a hacker.txt and hit enter. It was successfully executed. Now there is command called cat. What cat will do is it will read the content which is present in the files, in text files. Okay, what I will do is cat hacker.txt. What it will do is it will show the content present in that file. There is a similar command called strings which will do like similar to cat hacker.txt. See, these both commands. Now there is a command called mkdir. What it will do means like it will create a directory. So you can see here there is no directory called hack. What I will do is I will create a directory called hack. Enter. I will list ls. Now you can see I have successfully created a directory called hack. Okay. This is about mkdir command. Now what I will do is there is a command called move, which is move. What I am going to do is, like first I will show cd hack. I am jumping into directory hack and I am typing ls. There is no files here. So what I will do is get that back. What I will do is I will type move command and just copy the I just move the hacker.txt file to the folder called hack and hit enter. Ls. You can see that there is no hacker.txt present here. So what I will do is, like it was directly moved to hack file, cd hack. So we will get into cd hack and type ls. Here we can see that it is hacker.txt file. So it was moved from there to there. Now what you can do is there is a command called sub. Like sometimes what it will do means what we are seeing here .txt, but some things it not maybe a txt file, it can be a png file, it can be a something another file. So what you can do is, just for clarification, you just take file command, do hacker.txt or some file name, give the file name and just hit enter. Now you can see here it is showing that ASCII text. If it was a PNG file now, so .png or .jpg, so it will show here that it is a PNG file or JPG file, exe file or executable file, anything it will show. So this is about file command. Now I want to create another directory here called hack1. Okay. Yes. Yes, we can see that hack1. No cd hack ls. Use no files here. So I want to create a file called touch hack1.txt. Yes. cd hack ls cd hack ls cd hack ls. Yeah. What I want to do is, like, there is a command called read. What it will do is, like, it will show all the uh, files which are present in the directories, like how many folders there are and what are all the files present in that folders. It will show all like a tree format. What I will do is, I will just hit tree here. What it shown, there is hack1. Okay, there is a folder called hack1. In hack1 there is a file called hack1.txt. Like that, doesn't matter it is how much big the folders is, but it will show everything. For suppose, let's see here, these many folders are there now. What if I hit right here? You will see, I have just confirm. See, you can see what are all the folders, files present here. See, it will just show ls. Now putting into the hack and ls. Now what I will do here is, I want to create another file called script.txt file. Please see that. Now what if I want to copy this file to another location, like suppose in hack1. What I will do is, like, first you will check here. Here we can see that there is only one file called hack1.txt in hack1 folder. Like if you move backwards, what I will do is, you will type cp command and then enter the file name. Like I want to enter the file name called script.txt. And what I want to do is, like, I want to copy this file into this hack1 folder. So first I will select the file name. After that I will enter the location or something, folder hack. Just enter anyway. Now we will get into the hack1 directory and we can see that we have orbit script.txt file here. What if we'll just like I will open another terminal here. So there is cd go or this because here test and open another test this. Now you see, what if I want to copy this script.txt to the another location where it is in home kali desktop. You can see here where I am is hack1. Okay, in slash hack1. Where I want to move this is slash home slash kali slash test. Now what I will do is just copy and enter the file name .txt to the location where you want to copy. This is my destination. Okay, I will enter it here and I will just enter. Now see, in this script.txt is here. Yes. What if You can check here, there is no happen.txt. So I want to move this happen.txt to here. So same thing. You are, instead of copy your copy command, you are just taking your command. Have one.pxt to the location test and hit enter. See, there is no happen for here. If we type here ls, now we can see that happen.txt file is successfully moved to destination location. Okay, now cd address this cd data. Now we can see that in slash hack folder there is hacker.txt. Okay, now what if I want to move this file to here without entering to this hack folder? See, I am here and hack folder is here. What I will do is move slash hack slash hacker.txt. What I am doing is I am getting into the I am moving into the hack folder and I am selecting the hacker.txt. Now what here is, like, we are moving the hacker.txt file from hack folder to home kali test and hit enter. Now see, yes, we have moved hacker.txt successfully here. If you see hack this, we cannot see the hacker.txt. See, it has successfully moved to there. Yeah. Now there is an important command which I want to share with you. Like, suppose you are exploring ls. Like, there are many types in ls. Like, you don't know what it is. Like, many separate tracks which you can use with ls. Like, if you don't know a command, like if you know command but you don't know how to use it, you just type man command is nothing but manual and ls. Which command you want to do is, like, you hit here the command and type manual and hit enter. Like, it will show the manual about the ls command, like how you can be used and what are all the flags you can use with ls, all these things, etc., etc. Not only with ls, you can also do with cat, man cat, and this one. Okay. Um, Similar to this, or else you can do simply like ls fn help, same to this, but manual is more clear. But also of that fn help also the same. There is also clear command is for clear. Hope you guys have understood, and thanks for watching. That's it for today. Like and share, subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with tutorials on CCTV hacking, smart TV hacking, and much more interesting content in future or upcoming videos. So stay tuned. I will be back. Happy hacking. Bye bye.